next space, we worked with Stegbar to do all of our linen storage. And normally, obviously you think, you know, it's just linen storage, but it doesn't have to be. And with Stegbar, there's always so many different things that you can add, you know, or design specifically to meet your needs. So it's really quite clever. So we've got a few things in here. Obviously, we've just got our adjustable shelving, which is always really important in a linen cupboard. But then we've included these beautiful wire baskets, all soft close, of course, from Hafele. And it's just a different storage alternative. And then in this one, it's one of my favorites. Everyone's laundry nightmare, sorting laundry. So this just gives you the opportunity to have your whites, your darks, your delicates, and there's somewhere for everyone to put their dirty washing, which is great, especially in a holiday house. You know, dirty towels can take over. This is a perfect place to put them before they go into the laundry. And then they've got all these beautiful removable inserts, and we can take them off and just take them straight into the laundry for washing. Super easy. And then this last one here that I'll show you, it's just more of that adjustable shelving, which is great. Perfect for sheets, blankets, pillows, all those sorts of things. And you can see again, we've used the ultra white in the vignette on this joinery, and more beautiful quality hardware from Hafele as well. Just simple.